Namaste children, hope you all fine. Students, in the last video I finished teaching unit 3. So for your social subject you have only 3 units for this half yearly examination, and I completed teaching unit 1, unit 2, unit 3. So in this video I am going to give you revision. Okay. So first of all I want to revise all the book back exercises for 1 marks. Okay, so unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, 1 mark questions now I am going to discuss. So far if you didn't complete book back exercise means now at least see this video and copy down the answers. So what about answer the following and answer in detail, that I will send you link in your WhatsApp group. So open that link and you can refer answers for that, answer the following and detailed answer. Okay children. So first unit, book page number 106 and 107. So this you may take it for revision or otherwise to note down your answers. Those who didn't mark the answer, now you can utilize this video for marking your book back answers. First division, choose the correct answer. Okay, first one, dash study the history of humans and places through excavation. Archaeologist. First one answer, archaeologist. Unit 1, first division, choose. First question answer, archaeologist. Then same page 106, second question, small pyramids were made for the dash in Egypt. Answer, Queens. Queens, Queens. Okay, option C. Then turn to the next page, book page 107, third question, Indus civilization is also called as dash civilization. Harappan. Option B, answer Harappan. Harappan, Harappan civilization. Then fourth one, Adichanallur is in dash district. Adichanallur is in dash district. Thoothukudi. So spelling, option B, Thoothukudi, Thoothukudi. Thoothukudi. Then fifth one, Keeladi revealed the dash era. Sangam era. So option B, Sangam. S-A-N-G-A-M. Sangam era. Okay, this is the answer for first division, unit 1. And second division, match the following. Pyramids, Egypt. Baked bricks, Indus civilization. Pottery, Adichanallur. Dinosaur eggs, Sendurai. Roman lamp, Arikamedu. Okay, so now I am just going to give the answer. Okay, so copy down this answer in order for second division. That is 5, 3, 4, 2, 1. Okay, this is your second division answer. And third division, true or false. During excavations, many artifacts were found. Yes. So first one, true. Second, Indus civilization is located in Harappa. Yes, of course. So only it is known as Harappan civilization, no? So that is also true. Then third one, Adichanallur is an archaeological site in Coimbatore district of Tamil Nadu. Yes. Is it right? No. It is in Thoothukudi district, but here it is mentioned as Coimbatore, so that is wrong. So false. This statement is false. Then fourth one, Keeladi excavation revealed that it was not a developed city. So it is also false statement. Why? Because it revealed that it is an developed city, but here it is mentioned it is a It is not developed city. So it is false. Then the last fifth one, Roman lamps, glass, stone beads, gems, etc. were found in Arikamedu. Yes, of course, it is the true statement. The statement is true, correct. Your answer is true. That's all, children. For first unit, your 1 mark answer is on the board. You can pause the video and mark the answers. Okay. Then, after completing this, take unit 2, that is in book page number, unit 2 book back answers in page number 122. Okay, so this is for first unit. Now I am going to give answers for second unit. Second unit, first division, choose the correct answer. First question. Hydrosphere is the total amount of gas on earth. So, first one, option B, water. Then, second one, find the odd one. Here, there are 4 words. Ganga, Atlantic, Arctic, Pacific. Which is the odd word? Option A, Ganga. Because all the remaining other 3 words are related to ocean. But this is the only word related to river. Okay. Then third question, water body that is surrounded by land on all sides is called dash. So land on all sides means that is option C, lake. L-A-K-E. Okay. Then fourth one, evaporation is the dash stage of the water cycle. Yes, it is the first stage, no? So option A, first, F-I-R-S-T, first. Then fifth one, dash is a broad inlet of the water body where the land curves inwards. Option C, bay. B-A-Y, bay. Okay. Then second division, match the following. Fresh water, Koleru Lake, a lagoon, Chilika in Odisha, joins Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal, Park Strait, inland saltwater lake, Sambar Lake, condensation, formation of clouds. So your answer, just I am giving answer, just note it down from top to bottom, 4, 3, 5, 2, 1. Okay children, that's all for second division. And your third division, true or false. First one, it is also in the same page, book page number 122. First question, about 97% of water on the earth is salt water. Yes, it is true. So first one answer, D-R-U-E. Then second one, water is not necessary for our basic need. If there is no water, how can we live? So the statement is false. F-A-L-S-E, false. Then third question, turn to your book page 123. Third question, water in the sea is sweet. Is it so? No, it is salty. So this statement is false. Then fourth one, we should keep the tap open throughout while washing utensils. No, it should be, the water will be wasted. So this statement also is false. Okay, then fifth one, we should save water. Yes, of course, we should save water. The statement is true. So that's all children. This is for your second unit. Okay, all the answers for your second unit. So far if you didn't complete means now you can copy down from the book. Okay, so after completing this second unit book back answers for 1 mark, now turn to your book page number 136, that is unit 3. Okay, unit 3. Unit 3, first division, choose. First question. There are dash continents in the world. Yes, how many continents? Option B, 7. 7 continents in the world. Second question. The largest continent is dash. Africa, Asia, North America. Which is the largest continent? Yes, it is our continent. No. Asia. ASIA. Option B. Then third question. Dash is the longest river in the world. Yes, which river is the longest river in the world? Option C, Nile. Nile river. Okay, Nile Nadi. When I teach, I told you, no? Remember that. Then fourth question. Lake Superior is located in dash. In which continent is the Lake Superior? Option A, North America. Okay. So note down this answer. Fourth one answer, North America. Then fifth question. Penguins are found in dash continent. Yes, white continent. இது வந்து வெள்ளை கண்டம் அப்படி நம்ம white continent அப்படி படிச்சோம் இல்லையா? Do you remember which continent is that? Antarctica. Option B, Antarctica. Yes, so this is the answer for choose the correct answer. Then second division, match the following. Asia, biggest continent. Africa, Sahara Desert. Europe, Vatican City. South America, Amazon rainforest. Australia, kangaroo. Okay, kangaroo நம்ம தமிழ்ல சொல்லுவோம். How should you say in English? Kangaroo. Okay, so once again I am telling this because this is the first time I am giving answer for this unit. So once again I am repeating. Asia, biggest continent. Africa, Sahara Desert. Europe, Vatican City. South America, Amazon rainforest. Australia, kangaroo. Okay, so from top to bottom I am giving the number. You can mark it in your match the following exercise. Okay, 3, 4, 2, 5, 1. This is the answer for your second division. And then third division, true or false. So first one. Asia is the third largest continent. Asia is the third largest, it is given, but it is the first largest, no? So the statement is false. Then second one, India has one of the 7 wonders of the world. Yes, உலக 7 அதிசயங்கள்ல ஒன்னு எங்க இருக்கு? It is in our country, India, isn't it? So this statement is true. Okay, then third one, Brazil is one of the largest coffee producer in the world. Yes, coffee producer in the world. Yeah, Brazil. So this statement is true. Then fourth one, the Great Barrier Reef is in எங்க இருக்கு? தனித்தீவு, தனி கண்டம் என்னது? ஆஸ்திரேலியா. But here it is given India. So this statement is false. Then fifth one, Antarctica has half year of light. Yes, half year of light and half year of dark. In which region? Antarctica region. So this statement is true. Okay children, so this is the answer for your third unit. Choose the correct answer, match the following and true or false. Okay, so far if you are not completed this means now you can complete this all your book back answers. Okay children, so that's all. In this video I am not going to give any other revision. That's all. You are going to just mark the answer for book back answers. Okay, so what about answer the following and answer in detail? Do you remember? சொல்லிருக்கேன், ஞாபகம் இருக்கா? என்ன சொல்லிருக்கேன்? வாட்ஸ்அப் குரூப்ல லிங்க் சென்ட் பண்ணிடுவேன். அதுல நீங்க அந்த லிங்க் ஓபன் பண்ணி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லெசன், செகண்ட் லெசன், தட் இஸ் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் யூனிட், செகண்ட் யூனிட், தேர்ட் யூனிட் உண்டான ஆன்சர் த ஃபாலோயிங் பிளஸ் இதுவுமே சரிங்களா ஒன் வேர்டுமே அதில் இருக்கும். If you are not supposed to watch a video or if you are not able to attend online class அப்படின்னா you can utilize at least that link and you can prepare for your examination. So in my next video I will give revisions. Okay, so for your half-yearly examination, be prepared children. All of you complete your work. Thank you. Dhanyavad.